Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's August 20th, Tuesday morning. Grain markets giving us a turnaround Tuesday. We got corn down about 4 cents as we speak. Soybeans down 15 cents. Weather forecast, however, seems to be supportive here this morning with drier, warmer forecast for the next 10 days. It likely will show some deterioration of crops. However, it also will be supportive because many of these crops need warmer temperatures to mature on time. So a balancing act here for the next several days during this dry period. The crop conditions came out yesterday afternoon. Corn 61% good to excellent. That's compared to an average of about 58% good to excellent. 62% good to excellent. That was down 2% from a week ago, and still above the 5-year average of about 57%. The area that most people looked at on the report was how the crop was maturing. The pod setting behind about 10 to 15% from normal. In soybeans and corn, the dent only 11% dent compared to 30% on average. So watching that maturity very closely is going to be a huge concern to the trade as we go forward here. And as anybody talks about, if anybody talks about frost, it will certainly create some excitement in the market. We had the Taiwan buying group purchased 60,000 tons of soybeans here overnight. That was U.S. soybeans out of the Gulf. We've also got reports out of the crop tour that's going on. The eastern area, they were in Ohio yesterday, came out there with a 161 bushel an acre corn yield versus a 3-year average of 119 out of that state. Or 144 out of Ohio. South Dakota had a 161 yield versus 119 3-year average. So well above near-term and short-term averages. The soybean production in the states, it's very difficult to get a good handle on it. They count pods, and pod counts of soybeans in both states were larger than the 3-year average. We've got news coming out tomorrow out of Stats Canada. Expected there that we're going to see a larger number, better wheat production coming out of the Canada numbers tomorrow morning. Also tomorrow afternoon we've got FOMC minutes that will impact and could impact the markets as the trade is watching for any kind of indication of the slowdown in QE3. If will the government start backing off on that? That will be read into the minutes from tomorrow's meeting. We are also getting reports of harvest starting in southeastern Illinois. One customer sent us some pictures of corn being harvested there. So corn harvest is getting closer to reality here in the Midwest. In the livestock trade, cash cattle still at a standstill, expecting higher prices this week, anywhere from steady to $2 higher in most areas. Choice product was up 83 cents yesterday. Select down 24. There were no deliveries against the August contract yesterday, and the CME feeder index was up $2.65 at 155.01. The pork complex cutouts there were down 140, with the cash markets looking at a possible weaker trade here today. Some packers still need some inventory going into the weekend. However, we expect to see enough hogs to fill that need and prices to stay steady week as we go through the rest of the week. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call at 800-262-7538. We hope everybody goes to our website, fills out the crop survey, that we've got going on. This is our Allendale's 24th crop survey, and it's actually been very accurate because you guys know your fields better than anybody else. So if you can help us there, check out the website or just give us a call and we'll take down the information. So we wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning.